All right, so for this question, what values of c will the expression 4x squared plus 3x plus c have no real solutions or no real roots? So I got to figure out all the values of c that I could plug in so that this expression has complex solutions, or it's going to have no real solutions. All right, because I want it to have no real solutions, I'm going to take the discriminant part right here, and I'm going to set it less than 0. I'm wanting that discriminant to be negative, so I'm going to force it to be less than 0. That's the equation or inequality that I'm going to set up. So I'm going to do b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. That's going to be my setup for this. So it's going to be 3 squared minus 4, a is 4, and then c, okay, is all less than 0. All right, if I work this out, it's going to be 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times 4 is 16, c is less than 0. To solve this, I'm going to move the 9 over to the other side of the inequality. So subtract 9, and I'm going to get negative 16c is less than negative 9. And then here, I'm going to have to divide by negative 16. Divide by negative 16. Okay, so c is going to be greater than 9 over 16. And I'm flipping that inequality symbol there right here because I'm dividing by a negative. Anytime you divide by a negative, you got to flip the inequality symbol. So as long as c is bigger than 9 over 16, this equation or this function is going to have complex solutions. What is that as a decimal? That is 0.5625. Okay, so as long as c is bigger than that, this function is going to have no real solution. If I look at this thing graphically, okay, so I've got 4x squared plus 3x plus c graphed here, and I've got a little slider for c. All c does is it controls the vertical height of this thing. So as long as c is bigger than 0.56, all right, 0.5625, as long as it's bigger than that, this function is not going across the x-axis. So it's not going to have real solutions.